Victory in surrender. Galatians chapter 2 verse 20. Mga igsuon, in most battles, surrender means defeat. It means giving up, waving the white flag, losing the fight. Pero lahi sa ginharian sa Ginoo. In the kingdom of God, we win by surrendering. Galatians chapter 2 declares, I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me. Victory begins when we stop trying to be the center of everything. Kadaghanang tao, gusto sila ang may kontrol, gusto sila ang magbuot, gusto sila ang sundon, and gusto sila ang masayran. But Christ calls us not to be in charge, but to lay our lives down. Gusto nimo og gahom? Surrender. Gusto ka mahimong epektibo? Give up your ego. Gusto ka mo grow? Die to self. Kasi when we surrender our plans, God reveals His purpose. When we surrender our pride, God gives us peace. When we surrender our voice, God fills it with power. So when you speak, when you lead, when you preach, don't rely on your strength. Let Christ speak through you. Let the message rise from a surrendered heart, not from self-promotion. Ang tinuod nga kadaugan, makita kung si Kristo ang naghari sa kinabuhi nimo. God bless everyone.